Hey guys, so we are still continuing on Dexscreener Demystification. Now I have explained this place. If you have not watched my videos, go and watch. Now all this place I've explained everything you are coming across on this particular tab. So if you have not watched, go and watch. The last video I did about Dexscreener, this is the liquidity pool page. I have explained everything you are finding here. So, and it's only the only area now, this place, that is a sentiment. This what you are looking here, that is the sentiment reactions of traders on this particular, about this particular token. So this one is just a sentiment area, and you can see the red flag. This is neutral. So from here now, let me just explain. I've done video about this. From here, this side is negative, this side is positive. So you can just you check it out yourself, you understand. So you can see the positive reaction is greater than that of a negative reaction. Now, but notice that is not where we're actually going. Now let's go to the transaction area. So to go there, you click this area, you see transaction there. So if you want to check out chart, you click here. If you want a chart and transaction to appear together, you click the other one. Now let's start from chart and transaction. Chart and transaction. So the two will appear together. Can you see? So up here, that is the chart, and down here, that is a transaction. But I don't like it to appear like this. It's better you have them one by one. So now you can change to only charts. So only charts will appear. So I'm actually thinking, let me explain this chart area, though I'm not going to explain everything here, but let's just do little explanation about it. Now up here, that is the time frame. That is where you are going to check time frame. You see 1 second time frame. You see 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, day, and the rest. That is where you will be able to change time frame. When you are trading meme token, it is better to make use of 1 minute, 5 minutes, depending on how you are targeting your trade. But for meme token, you have to pay attention to lower time frame very well. As we all know that meme token is highly volatile. So the time frame, you don't use high time frame on meme token. You use lower time frame. That is very, very important. Now, if you want to change, you can just click on this drop down arrow, and you can start them. You can start them. Maybe you want to start 30 minutes, it will appear 1 hour, and the rest you can start. These are the time frame available. So when you click, then you can scroll like this. You scroll like this. You can change the candle to 9 if you like. This is 9. If you click on that, it's going to change to 9. So now let me click. So you're going to see, can you see? So if you click back, it's going to change to candle. You can click on this one too. Can you see? Then you can click on this drop down arrow. Look at it here. This drop down arrow. Click on it. So you can see bar candle, halo candles, 9, and many others, column and the rest. So which I'm not going to I won't be able to explain other thing, but you can just play around it. Then let's assume you want to be using indicator. This is where you will get indicator. That is indicator. If you click there, you are going to see indicator. You can see Bollinger Bands. You can see MACD. There are many indicators. You can search for it like this. Let's assume you want to check any indicator here. You can just you can search for it. So you can see like a moving average. Once you click on it, you start it. So if you go there, it's going to appear. Can you see? It has appeared here. So that is how you can make use of a indicator. And if you like, you want to remove it or you want to do something, you can click on it. Can you see? When you click on that indicator, if you don't want to see it, you click on that high. Look at the high here. You click on that high, it will not appear. If you want to delete it, you click on that X. And if you want to do settings, you click on these 3 dots here. So you click on these 3 dots. So you can do one or two things. If you want to do setting, look at down here, you see settings there, so you click on it to do one or two settings. So can you see, if you have been using other platform and making settings on an indicator, you'll be able to understand this. So starting from style, you can change the color, you can a lot of things, visibility, you can change all these numbers depending on what you want. So that is how to any indicator, that is how you'll be able to make any setting there. So if I want to close it, if I close this size, can you see it is gone? You can click on it, it is back. If you want to delete it, click on this X and it is gone. Then let me go back to candle. Can you see? So if you click here as well, you are going to see the indicator that is saved on this or here. So you can come here, look at this place, price. If you click on price, you see price there. If you click there, you'll be able to select, see, you'll be able to change either from market cap or to price. So you can see it is showing us a market cap. Look at this market cap I'm talking, this side. So, and look at this place, you can see market cap is highlighted. So if I click on it again, it will change your price. So instead of be seeing market cap of the token this side, you are going to be seeing price. So now let me click on it again. So you will say it's going to change the price. Can you see now it has changed to price now? That's the price. So that is it. And let's scroll again. Then look at this one as well. This place, you can change it. You swap from USD to Solana. That is, if you want it to appear in USD or Solana. So currently the price is in USD. So if you click on Solana now, it's going to appear in Solana. It has changed to Solana now. Look at it. So you can see the zero is higher. You can see the number of zero is higher because the price is in Solana. So let me go back and change it to USD. If I change it to USD now, can you see the zero? You can see the number of zero is reduced now. Now you can scroll, and if you click on these settings here, this setting, that is, you can change the interface, the colors, and other things you can change here. Although that one does not really matter. So basically, and if you want to make use of the tools here, look at these tools here, you can just try them out. For instance, let's assume you want to use the trend 9. You click on it, you see trend 9, you see it. So you can make it, can you see? So this is how they make use. First of all, you can move it, you can make it long, you can shorten it, and some other tools there here. So this is what you can do basically when it comes to the chart. So this is how to make use of it here. I don't want the video to be more than 10 minutes. So the next video I'm going to do, so I'm going to transaction area here. I think some of you will love to watch this area because I'm going to explain everything you are going to find here. Everything you are going to find. I know some of you know how to make use of it, but at least for newbies that they are not very much familiar, and most of the information here still looks strange to them. So watch my next video. You are going to see how I'm going to demystify every information we are coming across, starting from transaction, how you can make filters on this particular tab. You see QL, you see holders, bubble mass, among others, and how you can from there how to copy a lot of information here. So this particular one, and I think on Dexscreener, this one is going to be the last video I'm going to do. I mean, on this transaction section on Dexscreener. So then we go to another platform like Axiom, GemGem, or Padred, and I'm going to explain everything you need to know there.